Sick of splatter and the sting of hot oil? Meet Clarela, your stainless steel solution to preventing grease, oil, and spills from dirtying up your stove and counters. Rather than mesh, this rust-resistant screen has small round holes that allow the right amount of steam to escape, giving you that much-desired soggy-free sear. Works great as a lid to prevent boilovers, and you can even use it on the grill. Clarela absorbs cooking odor and captures splatters for safe cooking and a clean kitchen. So you can fry, saute, simmer, and braise while protecting your stovetop and your hands. Its large size and simple design make it an ideal partner for any pot and pan. Multifunctional, incredibly durable, and absolutely easy to clean. Put it to the test and enjoy a delicious meal.
Have you ever had unexpected guests and not being able to serve them a chilled drink?
Oh no!
Introducing the InnoChiller, the portable drink chiller. Whether your guests are in the mood for a cold beer or a chilled glass of wine, the InnoChiller can have it ready in no time. There's nothing worse than a warm beer on a hot summer day. Maybe your wife forgot to fill up the fridge, or you simply ran out of cold ones. No worries. Use the InnoChiller to quickly cool down your beverages. It holds up to 6 standard beer cans, fits all freezers, and it's jolly easy to use. The powerful fan will increase the heat transfer coefficient and speed up the cooling process. After a short while, an alarm will sound and the fan will stop. And hooray, the celebrations can begin. Bring the InnoChiller to the table with its marvelous Scandinavian design while you enjoy a chilled drink with your friends.
The makers of the world's first battery-powered portable solar fridge freezer brings you the new Lion Cooler Mini. The all-in-one mini refrigerator freezer is the ultimate van and truck companion. The Lion Cooler Mini neatly fits within the center console of your van, truck, or RV and features a lid that conveniently opens to both driver and passenger. Plus, the magnetic cover reveals a deep cup holder for even more on-the-road convenience. The Lion Cooler Mini keeps your food and beverages icy cold without ice. Iceless designs are the way of the future. Avoid condensation, soggy foods, and enjoy a delicious sandwich or salad and a cold drink at the park, beach, or anywhere you travel. The revolutionary multifunctional battery was designed so you can charge your laptop, camera, smartphone, or drone while the battery is inside your cooler. Remove the battery, and now it transforms into a portable power bank.
It's a home ice cream maker that allows you to make really premium homemade ice cream in just a matter of minutes. It also allows each family member to have their flavor and their style just the way they want it.
You can even customize your recipe by using non-dairy milks, pureed fruit, or avocado or banana for healthy frozen treats. Our patented design disperses the ice cream across the entire freezing surface, which reduces the freezing time, allowing you to make a pint in just 5 to 10 minutes. Faster freezing also makes a smoother finished texture and gives you endless options for making new recipes and trying creative ideas. We designed Turn with a streamlined shape and ultra-quiet function to make the ice cream making experience fun for everyone. It's available with one bowl or multiple bowls so you can enjoy the process with family and friends. With a removable cover and a rinsable base, the cleanup is quick and easy as well.
Cut-resistant gloves with latex coating ensure ultimate cut-resistant protection while you work. These revolutionary gloves have a level 5 cut resistance level, making it 4 times stronger than leather. The textured latex coating adds extra gripping, slip-resistant capabilities, ensuring the safety in your work, even when you deal with something slippery. We use an exclusive high-performance polyethylene cut-resistant fiber blend technology, ideal for use with cutting and slicing. Working with sharp tools can get dangerous. G&F Products understands the importance of protecting your hands while you work, which is why we've created these extraordinarily strong gloves from cut-resistant materials. The Cut Shield cut-resistant gloves with latex coating
Step 1, we fill up the True Cubes tray with normal tap water. Step 2, we put in the freezer. Step 3, take True Cubes out of the freezer and separate the two trays. Knock off any excess ice. And finally, let's make our favorite drink.